Next, we'll demonstrate the bullion knot rose. Using 6 strands of color number 6, it uses the same bullion stitch and the same steps, but here they're separate, while here they're combined to form a rose. Let me demonstrate. Bring up at the middle, insert below, hold vertically, wrap several times above. Make these wraps shorter, then pull the needle up. Adjust with your finger or needle. Insert. Make similar-sized bullion stitches beside. To form the flower center, then bring up here. Insert at the opposite matching point. Bring up vertically forward. Start wrapping. This time, make longer wraps. To create an enclosing shape. When wraps are sufficient, pull along its direction. Adjust slightly with the needle. Insert. Continue bringing up. Push the needle vertically forward from the side. Start wrapping. When wraps are sufficient, pull upward. Following the same steps. Continue wrapping. Adjust coil shape and direction with needle until the pattern is fully covered. Adjust petal size and shape creatively, making the rose more unique, with more dimension and refinement. Insert. This bullion knot rose is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.